Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to continue exercise 8.1 of trigonometry. We have already done questions 1 to 5 of this exercise and now let's start with question 6. So it's given, if angle A and angle B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. So let's start by drawing a figure. So let us draw triangle A, B, C. So they have mentioned A and B are acute angles. Acute means angles which are smaller than 90 degrees. So these two angles, these are smaller than 90 degrees. So that's why I have taken this as angle A and this as angle B. Since it is a right angled triangle, so angle C, it is 90 degree. And I have already explained you in trigonometry, we are only dealing with right angled triangle. So let's start. They have given us cos A is equal to cos B. So let's mark it as point 1. So cos A. So let's write down the values of cos A and cos B. So I have already explained you in previous video also and in the first video of trigonometry, which is introduction to trigonometry, that cos it is base upon hypotenuse. And in that video of introduction to trigonometry, I have already given one mnemonic to remember the values of all the trigonometric ratios. And if you have not seen that video, I have already shared the link in description. You can check out that video also. Now let's get back to the question. So cos A. Cos A means with respect to angle A, I have to see which is base. So base, it is adjacent side to the angle. Adjacent means next, just next to, and you can see AC is the side which is just next to angle A, which means base with respect to angle A is AC. Hypotenuse, it is AB, the longest side of the triangle, or slant side also you can say, because these two, if you see, these are the straight ones. So slant side of the triangle is hypotenuse. So this is cos A is AC upon AB. Now cos B. Again cos is base upon hypotenuse. Now we are writing the value of cos B. So with respect to angle B, we have to see which side is base of the triangle now. So base, adjacent side we have to see. Base is always the adjacent side. So adjacent to angle B, BC is the side. Which means if we are taking angle B, BC is the base in that case. Hypotenuse, it will remain same. So BC upon AB. Cos B, it is equal to BC upon AB. Now it is already given to us cos A is equal to cos B. So you can mention from first, because we have marked this point as first point. So you can write from first AC upon AB is equal to BC upon AB. Now this AB will just shift to other side. Any side you can make changes on any side. So I will shift this AB to this side. This AB is getting divided this side. So on changing the side, it will get multiplied with AC. So I will get AC into AB is equals upon AB is equals to BC. Now this AB and this AB, it will get cancelled. So we will get AC is equals to BC. So here directly also you can cancel. If the denominators are same, so directly you can cancel, because see, if you change the side, you have to cancel in this way. So directly also, if you want, you can cancel. If you want, you can write this step. Now we got AC is equals to BC. This is AC and this is BC. So here we have to write one theorem. So in triangles also we have already done one theorem, that the angles opposite to equal sides. Now we know, I'll draw this triangle in this way. Now AC, it is equal to BC. These are the these are the equal sides. So we have one theorem, angles opposite to equal sides are equal to each other. Therefore, angle A is equals to angle C. See, these are the equal sides and angle opposite to equal sides. You can see angle opposite to BC is A and angle opposite to AC is angle B. Since angle opposite to equal sides are equal to each other, due to which angle A is equal to angle B. So hence proved. Now let's do the next question. In 7th question, it's given if cot theta is equals to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta over 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And second part is cot square theta. So cot square theta directly you can do. Second part is very simple. Since cot theta is already given to you, so directly you can do the square. So cot square theta, it will be equal to 7 by 8 whole square. This means we are doing whole square of this value. So it will be like 49. 7 into 7 is 49 and 8 into 8 is 64. So this is second part. Because directly we can use the value of cot theta. It's already given to us. So cot square, we can do square of whole square of its value. So we get 49 by 64. This was about the second part. Now let's do the first part. So first part, it is similar to the questions which we have done, like third question and fourth question. We have to find the values within a triangle. So the it is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta to 1 minus cos theta. So first of all, we'll find the values of all the sides of the triangle. So if cot theta, it is given to us, it is 7 by 8. So cot theta, I have already explained you that cot theta, its value is base upon perpendicular. Due to which, if I take this thing, triangle ABC, let's assume this is angle theta. At C we have angle theta. So with respect to this theta, if we see, adjacent side is the base. So this is BC. So base is BC. I'm just writing which side is base and which side is perpendicular, and opposite side is the perpendicular. Opposite is perpendicular and adjacent is base. So opposite to this theta, it is AB. So BC upon AB. So I have already explained to you, if ratio is given to you, you will just assume the sides. BC, it's opposite to 7, just assume let BC is equals to 7x and AB it is equals to 8x. In this way you can assume the sides. Don't assume directly as 7 and 8 because ratio is given to us. Direct values are not given to us, ratios are given to us. So that's why when you divide, like when you write base by perpendicular, you will write as 7x upon 8x. So this x and x, it will get cancelled and you will get the value of cot theta equals to 7 by 8. So due to this reason, you cannot assume directly as 7 and 8. You have to assume as 7x and 8x. Now we have got the two sides of triangle and we have to find this third side. Because in our question sin theta and cos theta is there. In sin theta and cos theta, we have to use hypotenuse. So hypotenuse of this triangle is missing. So let's find the value of hypotenuse first. So we will apply Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square, it is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse we have to find, so we'll write it as it is. Perpendicular is 8x whole square plus 7x whole square. So this square will remove from this side, and on changing the side of square it will be changed to square root. Now 8x whole square. 8x whole square is 8 into 8 is 64 and x into x is x square. 7x whole square is 7 into 7 49 x square. So let's add these values. So we get root 103 into x. So this x will not come under square root because this and this we have cancelled. So square of x we have cancelled with root. So now we have under root on only 113. So we have got the value of hypotenuse. It is 103 under root then x. So now we have all the values, values of all the sides of the triangle. Now let's find the value of sine theta. Because we know we have to get the values of sine theta and cos theta. Sine theta, it is perpendicular over hypotenuse. So I am sure you have remembered these values, you have by hearted this value, and I have already given the mnemonic also, and you can see sine theta, it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So with respect to this theta we have to see perpendicular is opposite. So opposite side is AB. Then hypotenuse it is same AC. So AB it is 8x and AC it's 113 root x. So this x and this x will get cancelled. So sine theta it is equals to 8 by 113 under root. So then cos theta. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. So with respect to theta you can see adjacent side is BC because base is adjacent side and hypotenuse it will remain same. So BC by AC. BC is 7x. AC is under root 113 x. So this x and this x will get cancelled. So the value of cos theta is 7 by square root of 113. So now we have values of both sine theta and cos theta. So let's start this. One thing you just have to, one algebraic identity here we have to use. If you see, this is 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta. This is similar to one identity. A minus B, A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. So this identity we will use. If you compare with this, see your A is 1 and B is sine theta. So we can write in place of this is A plus B into A minus B. So directly we can write A square minus B square. So 1 square which is 1 itself minus B square. B is sine. So sine square theta. So here also A plus B, A minus B. A is 1 and B is cos theta in this case. So we can write A square minus B square. Okay. Now we can put the values. So 1 square it will remain 1 minus sine square theta. So this is the value of sine. Sine square means its value you just have to do whole square of this value. So sine theta is 8 by under root 113. So you have to do its whole square. Same way this is the value of cos theta. So 1 square is 1 minus cos square theta. So which is 7 upon under root 113 whole square. Now 1 minus square of 8 it is 64 and square of this root. See this is under root 113 so it's square. This root and square will get cancelled so we will get 113. Again here 1 will remain same minus 7 square it will be 49 upon 113. I have already explained this, root and square will get cancelled. Now here we can write 1 by 1 because we have to take LCM. So LCM, if we take LCM, it will be 113 minus 64 because it is simple. Directly also you can do. So LCM, it is 113. So this lower term we will get 113 minus 49. We have just taken LCM. So 113. So here we will continue. 113. See, this fraction has become like this. A by B upon C by D. So whenever you have to divide two fractions, you can do in this way. A by B into D by C. Like this you can write. So first of all we'll do the subtraction. So on subtracting 113 minus 64, it is equal to 49. Upon 113 we will write as it is. Then 113 minus 49, it is 64. So this 113 as it is you can write. Now we have got a fraction in this form. So this is your A, this is B, this is C and D. So we will write in this way 49 upon 113, which is A by B into D, which is 113 by 64. Now this and this, they will get cancelled. So we will get 49 upon 64. So the value of this thing is equal to 49 by 64. So same way this thing is given to us. We can find the third side of the triangle and then we can find the values of sin theta and cos theta and get this thing solved. So we get 49 by 64 as our answer. Now let's do the next question. In question number 8, it's given 3 cot A is equals to 4. Check whether 1 minus tan square A over 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. So we have to check this thing. So to check this thing, again we need the values of tan A, cos A and sin A. And they have given us 3 cot A is equals to 4. So we will write cot A, it is equals to 4. See this 3, it is getting multiplied by cot. So we will just shift this from this side to other side. Here it's getting multiplied. So on changing the side, it will get divide. So we will get cot A is equals to 4 by 3. Now we know cot A or cot theta, it is equal to base upon perpendicular. So, and it's 4 by 3. We have to draw one triangle. We have to assume the sides. Two sides we'll assume as 4x and 3x, and third side we have to find by using Pythagoras Theorem. So let's do that. So it is almost similar to the previous question. If you want, you can pause the video and do this question along with me. Then I have taken triangle ABC, right angle at B I will take. So cot A, this they have given me. So according to angle A, with respect to A, we have to see which is base. Base is adjacent, so AB is the adjacent side. So I write AB. Perpendicular. Perpendicular is the opposite. Opposite to angle A, side BC is there, which means perpendicular is BC. So now AB is 4 and BC is 3. So we'll assume AB as 4x and BC as 3x. So like I have already told you, do not assume directly AB as 4 and BC as 3 because ratio is given to us, due to which we have to assume as 3x and 4x. You can also take as 3a, 3k, any like alphabet or any variable you can take. So I am taking x. Now we'll use Pythagoras theorem and we'll find side AC of this triangle. So AC is the slant side or the longest side, which means this is hypotenuse. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. So hypotenuse square, because we don't know the value of hypotenuse, base we can write 3x square perpendicular 4x square. So this square will remove from this side and change its side. Other side it will be changed into square root. So square of 3x, it is 9x square. 3 into 3 is 9x, into x is x square. Same way 4x square, 4x whole square, it is equal to 16x square. So if we add, we will get 25x square. So which is equal to 5x, because 5 into 5 is 25 and x square. So in this way, if we write, this square will get cancelled with square root. So 5x will be the value of AC. So here we can write 5x. Now we have values of all the sides of the triangle. So let's find the values of tan, cos and sin theta. So sin A, the value of sin is perpendicular over hypotenuse. Perpendicular with respect to A, you have to see. Perpendicular is opposite. So opposite of angle A is BC. Hypotenuse, it will remain same. So this is AC. BC, it is 3x and AC is 5x. So x and x will get cancelled. So sin A is equals to 3 by 5. Now cos A. Cos is base upon hypotenuse. So with respect to A, we have to see which side is base. So adjacent side to angle A is AB. So we can write AB, because AB is the base and hypotenuse is AC. AB is 4x. So I am just substituting the values of AB and AC. AC is 5x. So x and x will get cancelled. So the value is 4 by 5. Now tan A. If you want directly, you can write tan as perpendicular over base, because we know it's perpendicular over base. So A is this, and as per with respect to angle A, opposite side is BC. So BC is the perpendicular and base. This adjacent side is AB. BC is 3x and AB is 4x. This and this will get cancelled. So we will get 3 by 4. So in this way also you can find the value of tan A. And if you want, because we know tan A or tan theta is also equal to sin A upon cos, sin theta upon cos theta. So angle is A here. So tan A we can also find by dividing sin by cos, because this is also the value of tan. So if you do in this way also, we know the value of sin, it is 3 by 5, and cos is 4 by 5. So this we can, this 5 and 5 will get cancelled, because same way A by B upon C by D, it is, we will write in this way, A by B into D by C. So this 5 and 5 will get cancelled and we will get 3 by 4. See, it's same. So whichever way you feel comfortable, you can find the value of tan in that way. Now we'll substitute all the values. First we'll see what is the value of 1 minus tan square A over 1 plus tan square A. So here I will write the values. Cos is 4 by 5. Sin A is 3 by 5. So 1 minus tan square, 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A. 3 by 4, it's a value 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square upon 1 plus 3 by 4 whole square. Three into 3 is 9. So only whole square we are doing. 3 into 3 is 9, 4 into 4 is 16. 1 plus 3 into 3 is 9 and 4 into 4 is 16. Now we have to take LCM. So 16 will be the LCM in this case. So 16 minus 9 upon 16. Here 16 plus 9 upon 16. See, this way, this form we have got. This. So 16 minus 9, it is 7. 7 by 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. 25 by 16. See, this form we got now. We can write in this way. 7 by 16 into 16 by 25. So this 16 and this 16 will get cancelled. So here we will write, we will get 7 by 25. So this thing we got equal to 7 by 25. Now let's check the value of cos square A minus sin square A. Cos is, here I will write it again, cos square A minus sin square A. Cos square, cos it is 4 by 5. So this square means its value, whole square of its value we have to do. So 4 by 5 whole square. Sin A is 3 by 5 and sin square A means we have to do whole square of its value. So 4 into 4 is 16, 5 into 5 is 25, minus 3 into 3 is 9, 5 into 5 is 25. Now since denominators are same, so directly we can do the subtraction. 16 minus 9 is 7. Denominator we can write as it is, so 7 by 25. And if you see this side also we got 7 by 25, which means 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A, it is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Now let's do the next question. In question number 9th, it's given in triangle ABC right angled at B, tan A is given to you and find the value of this. See, two parts are there, both the parts are very much similar. One part I'll do along with you and the second part you have to try yourself. So let's start by drawing triangles. So triangle ABC is given to us, which is right angled at B. So angle B is 90 degree. So A and B are these, A and C. So tan A is given to us. Tan A is equals to 1 by root 3. So tan, we know its value is perpendicular by base. So with respect to A, we will see which is base and which is perpendicular. So this is angle A. Opposite to angle A is perpendicular and adjacent to angle A is base. So opposite side of angle A, you can see it is BC. And adjacent side of angle A is AB. So which means AB is base and BC is perpendicular when we are taking angle A. Now same way, because ratio is given to us, so we'll assume BC as x, and so 1x also you can write and x also you can write, both means same. AB is this, so AB will assume as root 3x. Now again we'll use Pythagoras theorem, find AC, which is hypotenuse of the triangle, and then we can find the values of sin A, sin C, cos A and cos C. So let's start. So AC square, so Pythagoras theorem we are going to apply. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. See, I have written in this way. See, AC is hypotenuse, it's equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Just I have written the sides of the triangle, but I have used perpendicular Pythagoras theorem. So AC we have to find. AB is root 3x whole square plus BC is x whole square we have to do, and if we remove this square we will get square root here. So AC is equals to square of root 3. So root 3 into root 3, it is whenever we are multiplying root of same number, it will be changed to simple whole number or natural number you can say. So 3x square plus x whole square, it will be equal to x square. So 3x square plus x square, so this is basically 1. So like numbers you can add into each other and variables you can write as it is. So 3 plus 1 it is 4, x square we can write as it is. This we can also write as 2x square upon root. Why 2x square? Because 2 into 2 is 4 and x into x is x square. So this square and this root will get cancelled. So we'll get 2x. So here AC is equals to 2x. See this root, the value of root is 1 by 2. That's why we always cancel it, because 2 into 1 by 2 it will get cancelled. So directly we can always cancel 1 by 2, which is square root, with square. Now we have got the value of third side of the triangle. So we will find the values of sine A, sine C, cos A and cos C. So let's find sine A. So sine, we know it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So with respect to A, opposite is this BC. So BC I will write here, and hypotenuse it will remain same, which is AC. So BC it is x and AC 2x. X and x will get cancelled. So sine A, which means it is 1 by 2. So here I will write as it is. Now let's find, first of all we'll find cos A here. So cos A, cos is base upon hypotenuse. So base with respect to angle A, if you see adjacent side of angle A is AB. So AB upon AC, because hypotenuse it will remain same. AB, we'll write the values. AB is root 3, x upon AC is 2x. So this x and x will get cancelled. So root 3 by 2 is the value of cos A. Now let's find the value of sine C. Sine, we know it's perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So with respect to C, we have to see now. So the opposite side with respect to angle C is AB, which means AB is perpendicular. In this case, opposite side will always be the perpendicular and adjacent side it is base. So hypotenuse will remain same. So it is AC. So AB it is root 3, AC it's 2. X and x will get cancelled. So it is root 3 by 2. Now cos C. So cos, we know it is base upon hypotenuse. So with respect to C, we have to find. This is angle C, adjacent side is BC, which means BC is the base now and hypotenuse is AC. So x, just will substitute the value, BC is x and AC is 2x. This x and x will get cancelled, so we will get the value of cos C as 1 by 2. Now let's substitute here. So sine A I have already written. Sine A it is 1 by 2. So this everything you have to do. Now cos C. Cos C again it is 1 by 2. So whenever two trigonometric identities they are written in this way, this means they are getting multiplied. So we'll write a sign of multiplication here. Cos C it is also 1 by 2 plus cos A now. Cos A is equals to root 3 by 2, see here, and sin C. Sin C it is also root 3 by 2. Now let's do multiplication. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4, plus sign as it is we have to write root 3 into root 3 it is 3 and 2 into 2 is 4. Now denominators are same, so directly we can add it. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 by 4 will get this. We don't have to add denominator as it is, we have to write only numerators we are supposed to add. So 3 plus 1 is 4, so 4 by 4 will get this and this will get cancelled, so we will get 1 as our answer. So second part is just similar to this one. First of all you have to find the third side of the triangle, then the required trigonometric ratios you have to find. Afterwards you can put the values and you will get the answer. Now let's do the next question. In question number 10 it's given, in triangle PQR right angled at Q. So here I have already drawn triangle PQR and which is right angled at Q. Here it's given PR plus QR. So this is PR and this is QR. PR plus QR it's 25 and PQ, it is this side, it's equal to 5 centimeter. So we have to find the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. So in order to find the values, we should know the sides of the, we should know the values of the sides of the triangle, but only one side we know. So we'll use this information, plus we will use Pythagoras theorem also, and first of all we'll find the values of QR and PR. So let's start now. So we'll start by using Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square it's equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So hypotenuse, so I'll just substitute the values. Hypotenuse of this triangle is PR. So I will write PR square, it is equals to perpendicular. Let's assume it is PQ. PQ square plus base QR. So I will write QR square. Now here if we see, we have the value of PQ because their sum is given to us, but PQ exactly it's given to us. So what we'll do, we'll keep PQ on one side and other side will shift to this QR is the other side, will shift it to this side. So on shifting, because this is in addition form, so on changing the side, it will be changed to minus QR whole square. It's equal to PR, it will remain here itself, PQ square. So we got PR square because it was already on this side. So QR, we have brought it from, we have changed its side from here to here. So plus QR square, it will be changed to minus QR square is equals to PQ whole square. Now PR as it is, we'll write minus QR whole square is equals to PQ. We know the value of PQ, it's already given 5, so we'll write the value 5 square. Now in the previous question also we have used one algebraic identity, A plus B into A minus B, it is equal to A square minus B square. See, this thing we already have now, A square minus B square. So let us assume that here A is equals to PR and B is equals to QR. So the values of A and B are already given to us and we have this form, A square minus B square. So we'll write in this way, A plus B and A minus B. So A is PR minus QR into PR plus QR. 5 whole square we can do now. 5 into 5 is 25. The reason we have done like this, we have used this identity because value of PR plus QR is given to us. So we have to make use of that. Now see, here we got PR plus QR. So here we can substitute the value. Now PR minus QR into, because whenever two brackets they are written together, this means they are getting multiplied. So into 25. See, I have not done anything, simply I have just substituted the value of PR minus QR. See, PR plus QR. PR plus QR, it is equal to 25 and it's already given to us. So here I have written its value. So this I will write as it is equals to 25. Now we'll just change the side. Here PR minus QR I will write as it is. Now this 25, it is getting multiplied to this term. So on changing the side, it will get divided with this 25. See, just from here to here I am shifting. So 25 and 25, they both will get cancelled. So I will get PR minus QR equals to 1. Now let us assume that this is our one equation. So let's mark it as number 1. So other equation also we have PR plus QR equals to 25. Now we have got two equations. First one is PR minus QR is equals to 1 and the second one is PR plus QR, it's equals to 25. First one we have derived it by using Pythagoras theorem, and then second one it is already given to us in the question. Now linear equations in two variable we have already done chapter 3rd. So I have already shared the link also. You can go check out those video also and see how we can use different methods, like you can use substitution method or elimination method to solve these two equations. So here we can directly use elimination method because it's very simple. In elimination method, so we will add these two equations. So write add 1 and 2 because both the same, both see QR it's in minus form here, so here it is in plus form, so directly we can add PR plus PR, it will be 2 because 1 PR 1 PR, so 1 plus 1 is 2, PR directly we can write. Minus QR plus QR, both will get cancelled. 1 plus 25, it is 26. Now this 2 will shift to other side. Here it's getting multiplied, on changing the side it will get divided. So 2 into 13 is 26. So I got PR is equals to 13. Now in any of these two equations we can substitute the value of PR and we'll get the value of QR. So in this first we can put, so where or say, first equation is this one PR. PR directly we can write PR minus QR is 1. So PR is 13 minus QR is equals to 1. So QR will shift to other side. So 13, 1 will shift to this side. Or 13 we can shift to other side. QR will keep on this side because we need to find the value of QR. 13 will shift to other side. So 1, this is plus 13, on changing the side will get minus 13. So 1 minus 13, minus plus is minus with the sign which is with the bigger number. So 1 minus 13 is minus 12 as we have minus sign with 13. So here we have minus QR. So minus and minus sign will get cancelled. So we'll get the value of QR as 12. So let's put here QR is equals to 12 and PR is equals to 13. See, now we have the values of all three sides of triangle. So easily we can find the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. So let's do it. So with respect to P we have to find the values now. Sin P. So sin is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So this perpendicular with respect to P we have to see. Opposite to P you can see QR is the side. We'll write perpendicular is QR and hypotenuse it will remain PR. Same. QR is 12, so 12 by 13. Sin P is equal to 12 by 13. Now cos P, cos we know the value, it is base upon hypotenuse. So with respect to P we have to see, with respect to P, PQ is the adjacent side. Adjacent side is the base of the triangle with respect to this angle. So adjacent side is PQ, which means PQ is the base, hypotenuse will remain same, PQ is 5. And hypotenuse PR is equals to 13. So cos P is equals to 5 by 13. So tan P. Tan is perpendicular by base. You can also find by using that formula tan P is equals to sin P by cos P. So I am going to do in this way. Tan P is perpendicular. So with respect to P, QR is the perpendicular because it's the opposite side, and with respect to P, angle P, PQ is the base because it's the adjacent side. So QR I can put the value, it's 12 and PQ it is 5. So with this we have found all the values. Sin P is 12 by 13, cos P is 5 by 13 and tan P is 12 by 13. And next question, question number 11th is true and false. So all the true and false, they are based on the concept which we have learned till now. So I want you guys to try to do those questions. It's simple, true and false. If you get any doubt, you can post in the comment section. I'll be happy to help. And if you like the video, do share, do subscribe, and here I'll continue the next video with new exercise. Thank you so much for watching the video.